Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen useful products that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper Spiralizer. Vegetable Slicer. Onion chopper is a versatile kitchen tool designed to streamline your food preparation process. Crafted with durable stainless steel material, this multi-purpose chopper is both sturdy and efficient. With product dimensions of 10.8 L into 4.6 W into 4.6 H, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper offers a convenient size suitable for most kitchen spaces. Its white color adds a touch of elegance to your culinary area while also blending well with various kitchen decors. One of the standout features of this chopper is its multi-purpose functionality, making it ideal for handling a variety of vegetables with ease. From onions to cucumbers, this tool simplifies the chopping process, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The stainless steel blade material ensures durability and precision cutting, while the 4-inch blade length allows for efficient chopping of different ingredients. The item weight of 2.3 pounds provides a good balance.
2. The Dash Mini Donut Maker Machine for Kid-Friendly Breakfast. By Dash is a compact and efficient kitchen appliance designed to bring the joy of homemade donuts to your home. The machine comes in a vibrant aqua color, adding a fun element to your kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this donut maker is its manual operation, which allows for greater control over the donut making process. This is especially beneficial for families looking to involve children in the cooking experience and create lasting memories together. Constructed with durable metal materials, the Dash Mini Donut Maker is built to last. The compact dimensions of 8.7 inches in diameter, 10.6 inches in width, and 3.9 inches in height make it easy to store when not in use, perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. With a wattage of 760 watts, this machine provides ample power to quickly and evenly cook delicious donuts. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, it is lightweight and portable, ideal for moving around.
The Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox in blush pink is a convenient and reliable food warmer that caters to your on-the-go dining needs. Designed by the reputable brand Crock-Pot, this product seamlessly combines functionality and style. Crafted from a durable plastic and metal material, it ensures longevity and easy maintenance as it is dishwasher safe. With a capacity of 20 fluid ounces, this electric lunchbox is spacious enough to accommodate a satisfying meal while remaining compact and portable. The blush pink color adds a touch of elegance, making it a fashionable accessory for individuals of all ages. Ideal for individuals who lead busy lifestyles, the Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox simplifies the process of enjoying warm meals anytime, anywhere. Whether at work, school, or traveling, this food warmer offers a practical solution for those in search of a quick and efficient way to heat up their meals. In conclusion, the Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox in blush pink is versatile.
5. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1. Avocado Slicer is a versatile and efficient tool that caters to avocado enthusiasts of all levels. Made by OXO, a trusted brand known for its practical kitchen solutions, this product measures 2.25 inches in length, 4.2 inches in width, and 7.99 inches in height. Crafted from durable plastic in an appealing green and black color combination, this slicer stands out for its soft grip handle design, ensuring comfort and ease of use during avocado preparation. Its primary function revolves around avocado processing, featuring a 3-in-1 design that allows users to effortlessly cut, pit, and slice avocados with precision. The dishwasher-safe nature of this tool makes cleaning a breeze, adding convenience to its list of attributes.
The Joseph Stretch. Folding silicone trivet is a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. Crafted from a durable man-made material, this trivet offers reliable protection for your countertops and tables against hot pots and pans. The sleek black color complements any kitchen decor, adding a touch of elegance to your cooking space. Measuring at 2 inches in length, 0.75 inches in width, and 8 inches in thickness, this round trivet is compact and easy to store when not in use. Its folding design allows for convenient storage and expands to accommodate various sizes of pots and pans. The flexibility of this trivet makes it a space-saving solution for small kitchens. The Joseph Stretch Folding Silicone Trivet is not only functional, but also easy to clean. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth or wash it with soapy water for quick maintenance. Its heat-resistant properties ensure that your surfaces are protected from damage